Man, I'm super hungry. I wish I found a restaurant. Oh, I found one. It's called iWaiter. Oh, this looks like a good one. Let me go there. Fungus Studios. Time to go in. I think I want to order a lobster and a Pepsi. Let's see. Got the menu. Do they have lobster? Do they have Pepsi? Good. I want the lobster. Thank you, waiter. Lobster. Very good. I just eat it whole. Nom 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 nom. Oh, now I'm getting my Pepsi. Thank you. That was a good Pepsi. I'm gonna get my hair done. Huh. Looks like this is the girls. Might want to do that. See how my hair turns out. Long hair. I don't want it to be brown, and with the black headband, that's ugly. Aw, come on. A little too girly for me because I'm a tomboy. I'm gonna go to the boys. My hair just changed back to normal. Let's try this again. Oh, wow. I think I want to change it back. That looks kind of cool. I wish the headphones were black though. My hair's black. Let's do it from the side. Go back. Other side. Let me go back in. It's not tomboy, but I can handle it. The end.